So, of course, if we talk about 5 and 6, because for chapter 6, it means that we have chapter 4, right? So, chapter 4 plus 4 to 6. And my current thinking is that we will have 3 to 4 questions, and you need to answer all of them. And answer all of them. Answer of them, and then I think I have talked about the extra points that about these surface of revolution. That how do we calculate the surface area and volume, right? So I've talked about this, and I have 2 YouTube video from classes last year. And then for these 2 and for this topic, that I will have like about 10% extra points for self-study. That is 自主学习了哈。And so that you need to answer all of them, and then add 10% of extra points for self-study. Okay, so and I think that means we have the YouTube video, right? And then I've given you the homework on that topic as well. Of course, if you need any help that any other help that let me know. Yeah. 啊？所以几点考到几点？不会考到6点10分才考啊。OK， 我先跟助教，我先通知一下助教，我再问一下他几点钟有空。OK。OK， let me so OK 我会跟TA Marco 确认哈。OK， so let me write it down。浩平，或者帮我写一下，就是说，现在他们说6点钟不会考这样子，所以就不知道可以问一下同学今天晚上是怎么回事这样子，然后再跟 TA Marco 确认，好不好？好，谢谢。Okay, so that's the second thing. That I will let TA to post any news on iLearning. Okay. So look at iLearning for news. So and then for the quiz, and then for the second quiz that I've given you on Tuesday, that so for that the results are not very good. So the thing is that for this question that I'm asking you for the resultant couple. For resultant couple. So what is a couple that you need to remind, you need to take care that couple means 2 forces and then opposite to each other, right? Opposite to each other. And then we have parallel lines of actions. Of course that strictly speaking, that if you want to calculate the couple, that you only need to take care of this R cross F, right? And but if you are not that confident, you can do it in 2 steps. That you work on R1 and then R2. So the couple would be equal to R cross F. Of course, this is the right way to do. And then if you are not confident enough, you can always, or you don't want to remember equations. You don't want to remember equations that you can always work it out like R1 cross F plus R2 cross negative F, right? You can always work in this way. Huh? But the key point is I see some of you that are and that remember that this one is it a vector or a scalar? R cross F. Is this a vector with ijk or a scalar? Vector 是向量嘛，好 ，scalar 是纯量。So R cross F, is it a vector or a scalar? It's a vector. So please, if you know that the answer should be a vector, that you need to get a vector, okay? And then because for a vector that afterwards, that after you get a vector that it is, of course, this is mxi plus myj plus mzk, and then the next step would be, because I'm asking for direction cosines, that is equal to m, and then cosine theta I, cosine theta j, and then cosine theta x, theta y, and cosine theta z k. Okay, so because we are get this, what is it called? What's this vector called? It has magnitude of 1. So it is called, what's the name for this kind of vector? Unit vector, okay? So these are the things that we talk about in September, October. So take a look of it. So any questions about question 1? And then for question 2, that I've given you the force of FMB is equal to this one, and then to get my, it is equal to for any line, for example, that for any line like MPQ, for line PQ, that it is equal to, remember that this is equal to lambda PQ dot any point on line PQ. Okay, so and this is a dot product. Dot product, it should give a scalar. Okay. So it is these are the points that I want to remind you.